Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can enable App Privacy Report on your iPhone on iOS 18. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel before watching this video. Please put your likes and also please write your comments. So let us get down to our topic friends. Please open up the settings on your iPhone to begin with. Scroll down through them and go to the Privacy and Security section. Here you will also scroll down the menu. Select the option here to add App Privacy Report. Now click Enable. After which you can, for example, open a different application so that you can run your report. After which go back to the back. And here, as you can see, there's now a report about the privacy of your apps on iPhone. You can examine it in detail, look at it, and so on. And there will be such a report on each of the apps that you will open and use. That's the quick method. You'll be able to enable the App Privacy Report on your iPhone on iOS 18. I hope you found the video useful and that it helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes. Please write your comments and also subscribe to this channel. Take care, friends.